Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Snapchat account. So go to Snapchat and click on continue to get started, and you'll have to make these permissions. Enter your first name and your last name. You can create something or you can just add your original real name. So I'm going to be adding a first name. And finally, I'm going to be adding a last name. Once that happens, input your birth month, birth date, and your birth year. So after that, you can click on change my username. If you don't like the username you currently have, I'm going to change it too. Once you have put the username you want, you'll have to set a password. Just remember your password should be at least 8 characters. So I'm going to be adding a 8 characters password with a number to make it more secure. And finally, here it will ask you for a email account, so go ahead and enter the email account. Finally, it asks you for your mobile number, but on the top right, as you can see, there is a skip button, so you can also skip this method. You don't have to enter your phone. Once you have done that, click on continue. And finally, it's going to tell you to add friends. You just skip it for now. It will tell you to create your Bitmoji, which you can do by adding a photo, but I'm not going to be doing it. Congratulations, there's your Snapchat account finally made.